Hello everybody, it's your boy Will, and today I have chicken parm from the Old Spaghetti Factory, which is a place out here. I don't know if most of y'all have it out, people who don't live in Arizona. Oh, what a nice, alright. Uh-huh.
How is it?
Very crunchy. Cool, no? The sauce is delicious.
Okay.
I wish you made pizza because the sauce is so juicy and nice. Puts the fruit in the tomato. How do you spoil it, Dad?
Put it on there and then just spin it around.
Ooh.
What's your grade on this? Did you eat all the chicken?
Yeah.
Wow, you crushed it.
Have to give it like a 9.3. Just because of that sauce. The meat itself is nothing special,
Chicken was not special.
but the chicken and the sauce really made it worth it. So if I just give glowing reviews to literally everything,
That's a good way to be.
I just love food. We went to lounge to funk, I guess.
Huh?
The music.
Oh, yeah.
What exactly is lounge music or a lounge singer?
I picture it like 70s
What?
Dean Martin.
That was in the 70s. That was like the 50s.
50s and 60s. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Finish your review?
Mm-hmm. I would have to give this a maybe maybe like a 9.3. And I still give this a 9.4. I'm gonna review it. You gotta know.